Assalamu alaikum. Before you begin the video, don't forget to grab your free copy of 10 encompassing du'as from the Quran by signing up to the newsletter. Link in the description below.
When you look through the Quran, you find that there are many pieces of advice, many etiquettes of dua taught to us by Allah Himself. Allah Jalla wa Ala, when addressing the believers, He says, وَلِلَّهِ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى فَادْعُوهُ بِهَا. For Allah belong the best of names. Allah has the best of names. So when you have this piece of information, Allah is telling you what to do with it. فَادْعُوهُ بِهَا. Call out to Him by His great names. So this is a first step you can take, that when calling out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, call out to Him by His great names and His attributes. You're going through difficulty and hardship, you know that He is Ar-Rahman. He is the most merciful. He Himself is merciful. His mercy reaches the creation. Call out to Him by that great name. He told you that these names belong to Him, and He told you to call out to Him by these names. When you're in need of something, you know that He is Kareem. He is the most kind, the most noble. Call out to Him by this great name. When you are sick, you are in need of cure, you know that from the name of Allah is Ash-Shafi. He is the one who cures, the owner of cure. Call out to Him by this great name. You know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who sustains, and He does not need anybody to sustain Him. From His names is Ar-Razzaq, the one who owns sustenance. So you call out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by this great name of His, as well as all the other great names. The study of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is knowledge on its own. In fact, the one who studies the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, understands their meaning, calls out to Allah by these great names, bi'idhnillah, you find that his iman increases and he becomes closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.